our third day in Taiwan. Our first tourist attraction will be the Sun Yat-sen Memorial. But first, we are going to eat our breakfast. And we are going to have a full schedule today because the weather is nice right now. Last night we liked the fish and squid thick noodles. And now we are going to eat it as a breakfast. This one. We are now going to Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall and we are going to ride the banana line, and it's just 3 stops from here in Chimendeng. So we mistakenly led by the Google Maps. We end up in a university. Maybe that is a memorial hall as well. But here you can see. So this is where we are right now. And then when we are supposed to be here, which is Sun Yat-sen also. So next time we should be careful of choosing what's on the Google Map. We are going to take a banana line again and go to the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall station.
Let's check out Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall, who is the first president of Taiwan.
Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall is actually a Chinese architecture, so that's why it's totally different with the other buildings. See. So let's try to check what is we can do inside of the Memorial Hall. Like in Chiang Kai-shek, there's like a exhibition, and there's a statue of Chiang Kai-shek, which is there's a guard also. This one also has a guard. I'm pretty sure it has, because it's according to the internet. So yeah, we're going inside.
It's the Taipei 101. It's the tallest building until Burj Khalifa was built in Dubai.
To be added, this is also remains the tallest green building in the whole world. So inside of the Memorial Hall, there is an exhibition room also for Dr. Sun Yat-sen's history.
So he was born in Shuheng village. He was born in Shuheng village, Shangshan County, Guangdong province.
from Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall, we are going to walk towards to Taipei 101. So yeah, it's like 13 minutes to walk from Memorial Hall to Taipei 101. We are now on the front of the Taipei 101, which is the 10th tallest building in the whole world, and it's the 6th one in Asia, and it was previously also the tallest building in the whole world. It's previous, the
At
10th.
my back is the 10th tallest building located in Taiwan. See? Later we will go to Elephant Mountain so we can view it better.
We are going to the Elephant Mountain, and we are going to hike for 20 to 30 minutes on that mountain. From this park, we are going to ride the 612 bus going there, and then from that point we are just going to walk. We arrive in Xingshan Park, and from this point we are going to walk for 11 minutes going to the start of the Elephant Mountain Trail.
So hiking trail is this way. Oops.
Xingshan Hiking Trail is also the Elephant Mountain Hiking Trail in Chinese Mandarin. You know, the good thing about Taiwan, I noticed that there's a lot of parks, that is a lot of greeneries that you can see, and it's not just a greenery, it's a full tree, like an old ones like these ones. So every time we are walking in inside of the park with a lot of trees. We are about to climb the Elephant Mountain.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and this is the entrance. It's a small entrance. Now we are going up. Yeah, you can see the elephant for the entrance. Now let's go up. It will be 20 to 30 minutes going up. The first part of the trail, you cannot see anything. It's just all forest. So according to the map, the elephant is this one, the Elephant Mountain. So this is Mount Xingshan. So, and then according to that one, yeah, it should be that one. So this way. So we are following the Mount Xingshan trail, and according to the internet, from the starting point going to that viewpoint, it will be around 500 steps, and from that viewpoint till the peak, it will be 600 steps. So it's like 1.9 kilometers in total. The good thing about the steps here is it's little steps, so the height of every steps is not that great, so it's easier to step up. Just resting for a bit.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, but we can see a lot of tourists also going up. It's a very popular site to take a picture of the Taipei 101. But yeah, it's very tiring. I'm thankful that we just ate from the family mart before going up. So it says here, keep going. Landscape platform in 3 minutes.
So in 3 minutes. Okay. Look at how high it is. This is where we climb. Whew. And on this spot, you already see the Taipei 101. For sure, the view on the top is much better than this. And we are just taking a rest again. Whew. I'm already sweating a lot. We arrived at the first view point in the trail. So it's like a small balcony on the side of the trail, and you can see the Taipei 101. Again, we are resting. Here's Kim. She's so tired. We finished our picture taking and we are now going to Mount Shangshan.
peak
Yeah, the peak.
of the Elephant Mountain.
Yeah. So they said that in the peak you can see the whole city of Taipei. Another rest, and we are about to reach the peak. So see, that is too steep, so that's why we are resting right now. Good thing is that there's a lot of benches, wooden benches or cement benches. Wow,
Running.
that lady was running upstairs. Ooh. We hope that we have stamina like that one. It's already 30 minutes when we started, but we are still not yet reached the peak. They said it's 20 to 30 minutes of hike, but because we are stopping a lot of time, we rest many times. That's why we are still didn't reach the peak. So we are mistaken. We thought that is the peak, but actually that is the rock formation that was so popular with the Instagram. Now we are going up again. There is also a viewing deck again. So it's like a balcony in the side of the trail again, but this one is more bigger. So this is the view in the second viewing point or the picture point. We have reached the
Shangshan Peak.
Yeah, it's 184 meters above. So it says here in the pole, Shangshan Peak. Whew. So much tiring. Actually, there's another peak that is called Jiuyu Peak, but see, I'm already tired. And look at Kim. So yeah, we are not going beyond this peak. This is the peak that we are on target. I mean, we plan on this peak, and we are not going further to the Jiuyu Peak. There's another peak there. I don't know which one is a much better view of the city, but I think it's just the same. Or it's just a reason for me to not to continue. This is the view of Shangshan Peak. This is the view of the city. We have finished the hike trail, and it's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We are going to try to go to Mount Kong Gondola if it's not yet closed, or else because tomorrow we have a plan to go to the north side. So it depends. If we are going to reach early and it's still open, we are going to try to ride the gondola. Okay, see you, and we are going down. and exactly 20 minutes we managed to go down. So going up is a problem, but going down
So easy.
isn't easy. So yeah, we are going to Maokong Gondola if it's still open, or else we're going to continue our journey, our trip tomorrow in the northern part of Taiwan. We got stopped to different restaurant and coffee shops in the entrance of the hiking trail. So now we are not going to gondola because it's already too late, and there's no much light anymore, so our GoPro is not gonna work. So yeah, let's see you tomorrow for our northern part trip of Taiwan.